Hi guys! Today I will be explaining how to apply blur effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. This process will be simple and easy. The first thing is open the application, and once it will be open, open a project in which you want to apply the effect. And once the project will be open, import your video in that project. As you can see, I already do all these things. Now time to apply the effect on my video. For this, the first thing is click on your video, which you pasted in the timeline, and take a look. On the left top, here you can see few options: Effect Control, Effect, Text, and Premiere Composer. From these, click on the option effects. And in the search bar, you have to search for Gaussian blur. And here is the desired effect. Click on it, and take it, and paste it on the video. Now click on the option effect control. Scroll down. Here is the same effect, Gaussian blur. And this one is the intensity of this blur. Maximize it. And you can see my video has been blurred. And if I minimize the number, then the blur effect has been gone. And it was the way by which you can apply blur effect in Adobe Premiere Pro.